click on the plus icon of the database, and then right click on the database, create one new database, create database like a crud, crud underscore operation. So then your CRUD operation, then select the database. Now your database has been created. Now select the database, and from the keyboard press Ctrl N. Then new query editor window will open. So now this query window is opened. Now we will create one table. So we will create first. What we will do first, we will create what we will discuss in this video. First we will create 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 database. Then we will create table. Then we will do the insert insert data. Then we will use the insert command. After that we will use the update command. After that we will use the delete command. After that we will use the truncate command. After that we will use the drop command. After that we will use the alter command. After that we will use the sp underscore rename. So let's begin. So first we will what we will do first, we will create the table. So how we will create the table? Number first, we will do the how to create table. So write a query, create table name you can give any name which you want. VITS. Then column name, ID, int, then name, varchar 50, then address, ID int as a primary key. Okay, so now we will run this query. Once you will create the primary key, means it will avoid the duplicate value or not null value. So press F5. Now command is run successfully. Now table is created. Now we will see this table is created or not. So run the command select. What command you will use? Select star from VITS. So press F5, then your table is created successfully. Okay, now what we will do, we will insert the data into this table. So how we will insert the table? If we want to insert the single record, then what we will do? Insert into VITS. Then what we will do? Value. What value we will insert? ID1, name, Karthik, address, Satna. Address, what we will do? Satna. So if you see that, so if you see that there is, we will have to give the values. Okay, so now id is what, integer type, and name what we decided as a varchar. So varchar we will have to give in a single code, as like a address is a varchar, so we will give the single code. So select this and press F5. Then what will happen, this command is executed. Now record is inserted successfully. Then what we will do, we will select the, run the select query. Then we will see now the data is inserted successfully. And if we want to insert the multiple record, then what you will do, so just write again the same query, and we want to insert the multiple record. So what we will do, just press comma, and one is already inserted. And then what we will do, then copy this same data again one more time. So here we will give the 3, and here we will give the 4, here we will give the 5, and change the city name and name also, Kartike, Kartiko. Okay, Delhi, Pune, Pune, Mumbai, Mumbai. So now we are trying to insert the multiple data in single query. So now press, after selection press F5, then record is inserted successfully, you can see now. Okay, now I want to show you one more thing. As we have created that the primary key there, so I just want to show you that. So now we will insert this record again, press F5. So what is telling that the violation of the primary key constraint, can't insert the duplicate key because this data is already inserted. Why this error is coming? Because this data is already inserted. We have implemented the primary key. Key means it will avoid the null and duplicate value. So don't worry about it. We will discuss in the upcoming video series in detail that the primary key. Now you understand the insert command. So one more way we can insert the data into the table. So if we want to insert the data into particular column, so how we will do that? So how we will write that? Insert into VITS. Then we want to just want to insert into the ID. Insert into widths ID, and what we want to insert into the name. So provide the values. So id is, I think we have inserted 5, so 6 Priya. So if you select this and press F5, then this record is inserted successfully. Now what we will do, we will select the record, select star from VITS. Okay, so if you press, then you will see that now we have inserted only the two data, means in two column, ID and name. So the by default every column, if we will not insert any data, SQL Server will take the null value. And now we will move to the, we have inserted the data. Now we will move to the another command. So which command we want to use that? So now we will use the insert command. Insert is done. Now what we will do, we will use the update command. So I will let you know the how to write the update command. So you can see that we have this id1 is Karthik. Okay, id1 is Karthik, address is Satna. So we want to change this name id1, we want to assign someone else. So how we will do that? So write update statement. Update table name is what, VITS set what name name equals to Prakash, name equals to Prakash, where id equals to 1. So जहाँ पे so where is id equals to 1, we want to update the name is Prakash. So we have run this query successfully. Now select star from VITS. So now ID1 is assigned to the Prakash now. So got it? How we are updating? The one more thing you should always remember that always whenever you are running the update statement, always run with the where clause. Otherwise, if you will run the without the where clause, what will happen? It will update for the all the record. If you want to see, so I am doing that without where clause. If we will run this above statement, select, then press F5. So what happened? Now 5 record is updated. What happened there? See this. Whole record is vanished. Means, right, what happened? All the record is updated with the Prakash name. So always remember before updating to the data. So now update statement you understand, and now we will do the delete. How to delete the data from the table. So delete command we will let you know now. So write a command delete from VITS where id equals to 1. If we want to delete the where is id equals to 1, so select the record and press F5. Then what happened? Now whose id is 1, that data is deleted. If you want to see that, then select star from VITS. You can see that now id1 is deleted successfully. Okay, as like if you want to see, you want to delete any column, you where clause is used for to delete the particular data. Okay, if you use the where clause, means it will delete the particular data. So, and if you want to delete the complete data from the table, then what you will do? You can use the truncate command. So how you will use the truncate command? Truncate table VITS table name. Okay, then run this command, select, then press F5 from the shortcut key from the keyboard, then command run successfully. Now select star from widths VITS. So what happened now? All the data is deleted. Now there is one more command is pending. So which is, now we have covered that the how to create the data, create table, insert, update, delete, truncate. Now we will let you know the drop command. So how we will drop the, so now what we will use drop command now. So how we will use the drop command? So drop table name VITS. So press, now table is dropped successfully. Select star from VITS. Now you will not find this table. So what it's telling, that invalid object name because this table is deleted. So there is one interview question is there. What is the difference between the truncate and drop table? So you can say that the truncate, it truncate will delete the complete data from the table. Okay, and the data we can't, means we can't roll back, and drop means drop, what will do, it will drop the structure of the table. Truncate will delete the complete data from the table, and drop will do the drop the structure of the table. So that you should know. Okay, so and